Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, like the video, make sure you drop a comment down below and share with all your friends. And without further ado, let's get into it. Hello. Welcome back, you guys. So, I got a special little box here. Do you guys know what's in this box? No? Alright. Well, I'll tell you. This is the last package I've ever ordered from Enailcouture. And I did a third one to order some products that he came out with, like, while I was waiting for my next one. If you guys hear trotting, this my dog, so bear with me. So, in this box, we have some goodies for you guys. So, let's go ahead and crack her open. It's not gonna open. There we go. All right. So of course we got the lovely pink packing peanuts. But I want you guys to see this box. Oh, she's spilling. All right, so this one is, I don't know because, oh, here it goes. This is, oh, sorry you guys, I'm confused. But it's tapered stiletto. Can you guys see that? Let me adjust the lighting a bit. Come on, lighting, get it together. There you guys go. Whoop. Okay, tapered stiletto. You guys, I'm still learning how to use this new camera, so just bear with me a moment. Then this one is the tapered Coffin. And in here, I'm not sure what's in here, but let's find out. Let's find out, you guys. Ew. Isn't she fancy? You guys, this reminds me of like the Louboutin nail polish. You guys remember that? I'll probably insert a picture, show you guys what it was like. But this is a press-on gel. Okay, so I should have two. This one is pink. Ooh. Trying to crack it open and see. Oh, she's pretty. Okay. Also, here are my old terrible nails. Yes. And this hand had a pink Louboutin print on it. Give you guys a little camera action there. That I'm trying to get this one to pop off because I just pressed them on. So 4 down, 1 to go. We'll be trying these. Okay, I think this is the other press on in clear. Oh, no. Maybe not. I must say they did bubble wrap these guys pretty securely, so
Hopefully nothing is broken in here. Ah, come on. Oh. Okay, so here's Wonder Gel. So this is top coat. The bottle's matte, so I'm not sure if that means that this is matte or if this is shiny. I'm not too sure. I guess we'll have to figure that out, and I'll have to look because I can't read this description. But there you go. I'm gonna try and contain these packing peanuts because I have a dog. I don't want him to have too much fun. Okay. Here are my forms. Nice little roll. And then, oh, here it goes. I was gonna say, y'all, we missed one, but no worries. Okay, and here is the other Parmesan gel. Ooh, yes. So one has a purple top and the other has blue. I wish these guys was like glitter. Oh, you guys know I would die if it was glitter. Ooh. She's being a little reckless. My bad, y'all. Alright, so I think this is just regular monomer, honestly. I don't quite remember exactly what I ordered, y'all. It's been so long. Or maybe this is one of the kits. I think this is... Oh, it stinks. But, oh my god, come on. So secure. Oh my god, hold on. Okay, so yeah. So this is just the regular monomer. Not cotton candy. This one's just the standard. And this one came in a kit with powders. Let me look at my receipt so I can tell you guys exactly what it is. Okay, so excuse my phone. This one is from the baby kit. So that's what this is from. What the heck? Alright, so these should be... Oh, no, I lied. These are not acrylics yet. This is just something else that I ordered. And I've seen you guys comment on my last video asking like why I didn't purchase more. Or why I didn't like try the top coats or anything else. Because I pretty much have my own stuff that I like. And I've been using for a while. So I felt like I didn't need to. But since you guys want to see it, I am going to go ahead and let you guys see these products and test them out to you guys my true unbiased opinion. But this is just a gel polish that I grabbed. And I grabbed it in white. Oh, she is. Wait. Ooh, y'all see that? Cute. Now, some of you guys got a little confused with my last video because I was talking about the wait time for it. Now, it takes about like 3.5 months for you to get a package. And just to clarify, in my last video, I never said that I hated the products. I did have an issue with the square XXL tips, and I felt like they should be longer. That is my personal opinion, so don't come for me in the comments, okay? My opinion, boo. You don't like it, you can click off the video. But anyways, so yeah, that was my opinion. Other than that, I didn't have any problem with the products. Like, I didn't receive anything broken. It just took forever to ship out to me. I said because you try to contact them, they don't always respond. That wasn't, you know, a good practice on their behalf. But to each his own. They do what they want to do. So if I decide to order another package and wait 3 months for it, that's on me. But at least this time, I know what I'm getting into. So I just feel like, you know, I just want to tell y'all that. Because I was like, not this little troll not. But, you know. Okay, so, oh my God, come on. Okay, first one's out. This is chrome white. Woo. Okay, so this one is glass pink. Oh, there we go, glass pink. Okay, maybe this one will work. There you go, chrome white. And the third, I don't know if it ever wants to come out, is Eternal Beige. Can I get this on the focus? Maybe. Maybe not. Whatever. Anyways, so, but, ew. Okay, so, looks like Eternal Beige may have spilled, but that's okay. Because everything else is still intact, you know? And then, of course, in here I have more tip boxes, which if you guys didn't check the last video, go check it out. What is you doing? I need you. You right there. You right there. So go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and go check out the other video. Link will be down in the description for you, boo. Okay, thanks. Alright, so here is what the cases look like. So, I don't know, I probably got like 5 or 6 of these by now. But yeah, so that is the case. So I'm going to flip you guys around, get you guys a little closer, and we're going to see exactly how long these really are and compare them to, you guessed it, the double XL tip. So one moment, ladies and gents. Alright, so now that I cleared that up, I did grab a gel polish that he has because I needed white, and for some reason none of the wholesalers that I go to had white in stock. Not even Sally's, y'all. This whole COVID thing really kind of wiped out a lot of polishes and different things like that, so I grabbed just a white gel polish. If I do like these, I'll probably pick up more because this gel polish was only $7.50, which normally I pay about $13 for my bottles. So if it does give me really good coverage and it lasts, I will be picking up more. This time knowing that it's going to take 3.5 months to get to me, okay? So I did get these nail forms, which here's, oh, there's a packing peanut and I'm like, what the heck is that? But I did get these nail forms because I do want to sculpt my nails a little bit longer, especially because I am growing them out. So yeah, your girl is going to be sculpting. So I'll probably apply the new tapered nails on and use the acrylic, at least use the acrylic on my nails that are longer, like my pinky. This is the full length of my pinky. My ring finger stops at right about here, so I probably sculpted on those two. Sorry, y'all, phone's going off. And then I probably just use the personal nails on the other ones to show you guys what it looks like and give y'all a color swatch with both of those and show y'all how these forms really perform. But yeah, I definitely think I'll be able to get some crazy long lengths out of this, because just look, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all wait, we gonna use this for Halloween. We gonna get some good use out of these, boo-boo. Boo-boo. Yes. Alright, so I did go ahead and get both press-on gels in pink and in clear because your girl really wants to see what these is about. And I was just gonna get one, but I'm like, nah, I need both, especially since I'm waiting so long to get it. But like I mentioned before, these do remind me of like the Louboutin colors that they came out with because of the tops. These are some really pretty bottles, don't get me wrong. I don't want y'all to think I'm like hating on his brand or nothing like that. It's all love. I'm just telling y'all my personal experience, my feelings, and my thoughts and opinions on it. So yes, sis. Hold up, y'all, we got a call. Alright, y'all, so the pink gel, which is the purple top, Y'all a little close up, show y'all what it's looking like. Ooh, focus. She don't want to focus, y'all. Y'all, I don't know how to make this thing focus. Well, we might not be focusing on this today. Oh, there y'all go. So it's like a rose pink, pinky nude color. Alright. And the blue top has clear in it. I don't really know what I expected, but it's clear. Crystal clear. So, and these guys were like $12.50 each. I feel like when I buy these, I'm pretty much just paying for the design of it. Like, y'all know what I'm saying? Like, we paying because it's cute. But yeah, I still like them. They cute. There'll be some little cute accessories to my wall. And I did buy the Wonder Gel top coat. Apparently, this is supposed to be new. So, it says that it's now stain and scratch repellent formula. I don't know what it was before, but the bottle is really cute. It's like matte finish. And it says Wonder. It has a little cute crown at the top. So it's cute, and of course this should be clear, but we can check it anyways. Yep, crystal clear, you guys. So, ooh, it's thick. Y'all see that? Yep, I like them thick. So, yeah. Alright, you guys. So that pretty much concludes our video of all the beautiful products that we purchased today. If you guys are wondering, my total was, I don't remember. I want to say this one was like about like 150 or something like that, somewhere around there. But yes, so stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna show y'all exactly how they apply and what they looking like. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. Love y'all. Stay safe. Bye.
If you like these videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, and make sure you like the video and share with all of your friends. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.